What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be sharing with you some of my favorite deep conditioners. Okay guys, I love deep conditioners. You already know that, so I have a lot of favorites. Therefore, I had to really narrow it down and just bring you a few, which is still more than other products that I've already brought you, but I couldn't keep pulling out deep conditioners, okay? So just know these are not my all-inclusive list, but they are some that you can start with that I recommend and that I like, that I use often, okay? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. You guys already know that Nature's Little Secret is going to be on the list. Nature's Little Secret, I love her products. She hasn't gone wrong with the deep conditioners, and two of them that I really like are the Coconut Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner if you need a little bit of strength, and then the Agave Nectar Moisturizing Treatment if you need a little moisture. So she also has a Rose Hydrating Deep Conditioner that I really like. It is marketed kind of as a rinse out conditioner because it doesn't say deep treatment on the front of it, but when you read the ingredients, it does say that you can use heat with it for a more deep penetrating conditioner. Okay, so I use it as a deep conditioner. I really love that one too. I don't have that one on hand right now to show you, but I do have these two and they're good. So any Nature's Little Secret deep conditioner, I think that you would enjoy. Maybe look at the ingredients, see what works for you, see what you need, and there you go. If you just want to try one, you can do that as well. I do have a discount code here, and I'll also link it in the description box if you need to use it to save a little bit of money. But these are really good. Her deep conditioners sink into my hair. They have slip. You can definitely finger detangle with her deep conditioners, and when you apply heat and rinse it out, your hair feels really good, supple, ready to be styled. You can just feel the difference in her deep conditioners. I don't feel like it leaves a lot of residue left behind like some deep conditioners do. You may get a little bit depending on which one that you use, but for the most part they rinse clean, and I like that. I like the fact that I can see them soaking into my hair. I can feel them soaking into my hair. So yeah, Nature's Little Secret, both of those are going to be on my favorites list. I also enjoy the Double Moisture Overnight Mask by Curl Origin. This one is really good too. I've bought this multiple times, over and over and over again. I don't use it overnight. I use it as a regular deep conditioner, and I like it like that. I don't feel like you have to use it overnight, but this is another one that just has that feeling that gives your hair like your hair is just drinking up the moisture, and that it's ready for you to do whatever you need to do with it. It's gonna be ready. That's what you get from this deep conditioner as well. I love it. The problem with Nature's Little Secret and Origin is that you do have to order these. So, you know, if you don't mind that, I say pick them up. I also have a discount code for Curl Origin. I'll leave it here as well and in the description box, so you can go down there, click the link, get right over there, and then save your money. But yeah, this one is good too. Love it, love it, love it. Another favorite deep conditioner is from She Scented. It is the Avocado Moisture Max Mask. Guys, I love this. She Scented has some really good deep conditioners as well. Again, Curl Origin, She Scented, Nature's Little Secret. They're Black owned and they're small, and they use really good ingredients in their products, and the products are just good and they work. So this is one of the first ones I've used or I tried from She Scented, and I fell in love with it. I like it. I like the texture. I like that it soaks in. I like the way my hair feels after I rinse it out. So again, you can't go wrong with these, but you do have to order again with She Scented. Now Curl Origin and She Scented, they are sister brands, and they're always having sales. A lot of times you can find their products for 40% off. So I would say make sure that you follow them on Instagram or sign up for their text messages or something like that, so when they're having a sale you are notified. But 40% off is good. You know, it's a good sale, so if you can get it for 40% off, that's what I would say to do. And then another one from She Scented is the Marula Mallow Miracle Melt Mask. I really enjoyed this one as well. And guys, like I said, this is not an exhaustive list. I like a lot of other ones from She Scented. I like a lot of other ones from Curl Origin. I like a lot of other ones from Nature's Little Secret, but I can't pull them all out, right? So yeah, this is another one. So if you're looking at She Scented, these two would be ones that I would tell you to go to and try. Really good. Okay, so now let's get to some that you can find on the ground, which is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. I love this. This has been a favorite of mine since the beginning of my natural hair journey. I like this deep conditioner. I just think it's really good. I think it's a really balanced one. It does not have the same application as these. The other ones I've told you, they're a little bit thinner. They apply a little bit easier. This one applies really well too, but it's thicker. So if you like a thicker deep conditioner, this may be one that you like. And then when you apply heat to it and you rinse your hair out, oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. So this is going to be my favorite. This is the one that I don't like to be without, because whatever my hair needs, this gives it to me, okay? So these are favorites too. I love these. I love this. This is the one I tried first. This is the one that I fell in love with. This is the one that has not let me down ever. So this is the one that's going to be on the top of the list. I love the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. And if you like a nice gourmand scent to your products, then you should give this one a try. Another one that you can find on the ground is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. This one is good. I started using this a while ago. I kind of fell into it for some, I don't know if I got like a travel set and this was in it or what, but something made me purchase this, and I tried it and I was like, oh wow, the slip on this is amazing. The slip on this is amazing. So that's what I felt first, and then I was like, okay, and I'm feeling it, and I'm like, well, you know, we'll see. I put that heat on it and my hair loved this. I think this is good, okay? It has a different feel than the other ones, but it definitely moisturizes. It definitely has slip. You can definitely detangle with this. It's really good, and you can find it on the ground. So this is the Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask from Design Essentials. If you want to try to find something on the ground, you might try this one. It's good. I don't hear a lot of people talking about this at all. I think I hear one other person talking about this, and this is Sherry Berry DC on YouTube. I don't know if you follow her or not, but if you do, she likes this, and I think she saw one of my videos, if I'm not mistaken, and tried it out and really enjoyed it. So yeah, but I don't really hear anybody else talking about it, but it's good. It's good to me, okay? So yeah, that one is really good. And another one that's really good that I enjoy is the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner that looks like this. Guys, this is really good if you like a little bit of a thinner deep conditioner, but you still want it to perform. This is it. This is another one that I feel like gives your hair everything that it needs. So it gives it a little bit of a boost if you need a boost, but it also gives you the moisture that you want. I like it. I tried it. I liked it. I repurchased it. So yeah, this is one that if I feel like I just need a little bit more than just moisture, I'll pick this up and use it, and it'll give me a little bit of a boost to my curls, a little bit more elasticity and things like that. It is silkening and strengthening, so it does both. So yeah, I really enjoyed this one. This one's going to be a little bit more expensive, but I believe she is back in Ulta and Sephora. I know for a while we were having a hard time finding her products, but I think she's back in Ulta and Sephora. So if you can get your hands on it, I'd say pick it up and give it a try, especially if you need one that is both strengthening and moisturizing in your arsenal, and you like melanin. Hey, pick it up, give it a try. I like it. So it's on my favorites list. And then a couple of honorable mentions, and that's only because the one which I'm going to mention is honorable mention because I don't have it here to show. I used it up and I need to repurchase it. It is the Sauce Beauty chia or honey and chia milk or chia something. I'll put a picture of it right here. I ended up trying that one from Sally Beauty. That's where I picked it up from. I don't know where else you can get it, but I believe you can find it other places. But I picked that up and used it, and I was pleasantly surprised. That one was really good as well. My hair doesn't necessarily do well with Ayurveda and things like that, but that one, my hair liked. I mean, again, another one that just sank into my strands. It had a nice application to it. It has some slip to it. So I really like that one. It's more affordable. So again, if you're looking for something that's more affordable, that might be one that you pick up. If you're looking for something on the ground, that might be one that you try to pick up. But it's really good. I think they have one other deep conditioner, but I think it has silicones in it. So I haven't tried that one, but hey, maybe try that one too. It may be good as well, and then let us know in the comments how that one works out too. But that one, the Sauce Beauty Chia, it's right here, chia milk or something like that, is a really good one that is affordable that you can find on the ground. And then another honorable mention would be the Pattern Beauty, I believe it's the treatment mask. That one is more of a protein treatment. And so again, if you need a little bit of protein but don't want to do a full out alpha G treatment and things like that, you may try the Pattern Treatment Mask. That one's really good. I tried it, liked it. I actually used it up. Believe it or not, it's really thin, but it has a lot of slip to it. It gives your hair shine, but it also strengthens it. So that one's a really good one too. Again, you can find that one, I believe, in Sephora and Ulta, places like that. So you can definitely get it on the ground. But if not, you can order it from the website as well. But anyway, guys, that's it for my favorite deep conditioners for 2025. And like I said, there are other ones that I can mention, but the video will be too long, okay? So these are some that you can start with. And if you have some favorite deep conditioners that I didn't mention, you know what to do. Jot them down in the comments section so people can learn from you. And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.